Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to use VLOOKUP in Google Sheets, so let's start. As you can see here, I have different information in a table with different names at different amounts. This is in sheet number 1. I have sheet number 3. I have a kind of table, okay, and I have the names only. You can see Robert, Laura, Joshua. But I don't have the amounts here. If I want to combine the amounts of sheet number 1 with sheet number 3, let's do the next things. First, let's select the name. In this case, I will select Joshua. Then let's go to the cell and let's write equal lookup. And then let's write parentheses, select the name, then comma, space, and let's go to sheet number 1 and select all the table, then space, comma, and then let's write the column that we want to combine. In this case with column number 2, so let's write 2, comma, and let's write false, okay, and close the parentheses. Then let's enter, and you can see here appears the amount that we have here in sheet number 1. So if you want to change the name, you can do it. For example, Robert, and you can see here appears amount, and Laura. So you can do the same thing with the column number Q2 in here. You can do the same, and you will have all the data that we have in sheet number 1. Very easy to do it. So that's the way to work with VLOOKUP in Google Sheets. As you can see, it's very easy to use. So I hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumbs up to this video.